Hi there, art lovers. This is Lala Sparks again, coming in with another piece of art and trying out my new mold. This mold is a book mold, and I want to use it as a jewelry, like a jewelry box, a jewelry bowl. Sorry, excuse me, a jewelry bowl. So while I'm making it, I'm putting in the my seashells, which I absolutely love. I'm putting in my seashells at the bottom of the mold and making sure that I have them all at the bottom. And then I'm coming in here with some turquoise glitter. Doesn't that glitter look so pretty? Love glitter, can you tell? Um, but I'm coming in here with the glitter and making sure that it covers all the shells at the bottom before I put in my color. Coming in here with gray, and it's like a grayish, I think I mix gray and black. And so I'm putting in the glitter just to make sure that it has that beautiful shine. While I'm making this, I'm obviously thinking of the words of encouragement that I'm going to put on here. So just to make sure that my pieces of art encourage someone out there. The world is dark, like I always say, and we do need encouragement. Being encouraged in my past has helped me grow. Every time I need encouragement, when someone encourages me, I feel like they turn they pivot my life around. So here we go. Molding day. I'm always excited for the molding day. So the next morning, I run into my garage to make sure that it's cured and I can unmold it. So here I am making sure that I carefully unmold this. Carefully. I don't want to tear my mold because then I would never be able to use it again. So here we go. I'm always so excited to unmold my art because resin sometimes does its own thing. And sometimes it's just so nice to see how like your vision comes to light when you unmold it. So here we go. It's so pretty. Look at those seashells. Look at the bottom. Oh my gosh. So this is a beautiful jewelry bowl that you can have on your table. And just kind of when you take off your earrings, you can just throw them in there or your necklace or whatever. But last sparks, we have to make this encouraging, right? So we have to put some encouraging words on here. I'm going to go with I am enough. I can never stop telling myself that I'm enough. I went through a period in my life where I needed to remind myself that I was enough. And I feel like that those words could encourage someone out there to just remember, always remember you are enough. So I used my UV resin and here are the results. I ended up putting a gold I am enough and a white I am enough on both sides. I will have the link for this jewelry bowl in my description. I hope that this encourages someone out there. I hope that it makes someone's day and it encourages someone who will be using this on an everyday life. Lala Sparks again. Thank you, art lovers. Thank you to my subscribers. Hope this encourages someone out there. Until next time, stay encouraged, guys.